Hello, this is Danielle Skeldon, reference librarian at the Jessie Smith Library in Harrisville, Rhode Island. Today I'm going to show you how to use Udemy. It's an American online learning platform that was created for professionals so that they can take courses for professional development and things. There's tons of different courses, tons of different languages that they're offered in, so I really want to show you this. It's offered to us right now for free through askri.org. So we're going to start by going there. So askri.org. You can either plug it into the Google search bar here like I have, or you can plug it in at the top in the URL bar. So this is what we want, askri.org, Rhode Island's online reference center. Once we find it, and I'm actually going to give you a little bit more visual here. Okay, once we find it, you're just going to want to scroll down, and right here it says Visit Gale Presents Udemy. You're going to want to click on it. Now, in order to log in, you need to add your library card. This is the first thing it will pop up for you, is the screen here. So you're going to want to key in your library card, and then it's going to ask you to sign in with either your Google or your Microsoft account. So at this point, if you don't already have a library card or a Google or a Microsoft account, you won't be able to log in. I will post a video soon about ways that you can set up a Google account. It's really simple. And also, if you visit the library website, the Jessie Smith Library website, you can get more information on how to get a library card. You can also reach out to us via Facebook. We're very receptive to questions about that. But we're not going to go through those steps today. Today, I'm just going to focus on showing you how to get in if you have all the things that you need. So you're going to want to plug in your library card number. And click Access Udemy. And it brings you to their homepage where it tells you what it offers, over 4,000 online video courses, how the information is used, and what you'll need in order to get started. So basically, like I said, you need a Google or a Microsoft account, and you have to be 18 years or older to use the site. And honestly, it would only really be beneficial for business professionals and adult students. So you're going to want to click on Sign In. I'm going to choose to sign in with the Google. I'm going to go ahead and click on Me. I'm going to allow it. And now you should take a moment just to at least look at the terms of service and the privacy statement. Not enough people actually look at these things, but they're offered here for you. And once you want to click on I agree. I've already set up one of these accounts, so I know what it's all about. You want to put in your birth year. So I'm going to say, I'm not going to tell you when I was born. I'm going to choose 1984 because it's such a good book. And create my Udemy account. So now it's just setting it up. So this is Udemy for Business. There is a separate site as well. That's like the mother of all of it, but this is Udemy for Business, which is really great. That we have access to this for free. There's so much in here. So you click on get started, and just like any other platform like this that has things that they offer to you, just like a Netflix account or something of the sort, it gives you things that they want you to say what you're interested in order to make recommendations for you and make a browsable page for you. So let's say I'm not actually interested in any of the technology stuff or the business stuff, really. I'll say personal development. That's all I'm interested in. It's just personal development. So I'm going to choose personal development and click on next. That was in the bottom right hand corner. I'm not sure if you missed that, but it was right down here where the start exploring is. It said next. Sorry if I did that too quickly for you. Okay, so What am I looking for? Well, let's say I want to know about focus and memory, meditation and mindfulness, and physical wellness. Those sound like good things to start exploring. So now I'm going to click this Start Exploring button on the bottom right-hand corner. So now it's going to prepare a list of recommendations for me to browse through on the home page. And it's come up with quite a bit here. Nutrition Masterclass, mindfulness for anxiety, all different kinds of things. These are the things that other people are taking a look at. These are the new items on Udemy for Business. But these are the ones that were curated based on what I chose. So, you can explore there. There's little arrows here that'll let you scroll through. And at the top, there's different categories. And if you click on those, you'll end up at another page that looks similar to this, but only focusing on that category of items. So marketing, personal development, and what have you. Now, up at the top, I don't know if you can see it. Let me pull this up. Up at the top here, there's categories. Now, if you just hover over it, you don't have to click on it, just hover over it. It opens up this whole thing, the whole drop-down menu. And as you hover over each one of these, it tells you what's embedded inside. So even though I chose only personal development things on my survey at the beginning, I can still access everything the site has to offer. So let's say I wanted to know more about, I don't know, leadership and management. So I could hover over that, slide over here, go to communication. It keeps opening further subcategories so that you can get a more refined list of things that you're looking for and that you might want to learn about. So let's say I want to know about storytelling. So I'm going to click on storytelling. And these are all storytelling courses. You can take a course on storytelling. How awesome is that for librarians? Very exciting. There's already 214,000 people that are learning storytelling on Udemy. So you could be one of them. All you have to do is click on one of these things. This one looks delightful. So I'm going to click on it just to show you. It tells you right in this thing here, before you even click, how many lectures, the total number of lecture hours, a little bit about what it is. So if you click on Enroll Now, you're now enrolled in the course. You could start playing the video. I'm not going to do that. You can take a browse through all of the different pieces of the course itself. This tells you so much about it. And then as you're going through it, you'll see when you come back into the website for the first time of the day, it's right here on the top for you. You can navigate to it from this top right-hand corner. Now, when you're inside the course, it'll tell you how far along you are as well. So right now, 0 out of 30, because I haven't done anything. If you don't want to enroll in the course anymore, you can unenroll at any time. You can archive it or you can favorite it. I'm going to unenroll because I don't think it's really for me. And so now I don't have any courses. I can go back to the categories here, or I can search for something. So let's say I want to learn about personal finance. There it is, personal finance. So I'll click on it. There's 408 results for personal finance. So you can scroll through, click on them, and investigate. So Personal Finance Masterclass, it has 4.2 stars out of all these different people who have rated it. There's over 30,000 people enrolled. It tells you who created it. All kinds of information. Just like if you were shopping on Amazon, there's reviews, there's in-depth information, all kinds of things for you to look through before you decide whether or not you would like to take this course. This is an excellent website to explore. If you need to do professional development for things, especially right now while a lot of us are working from home, this is a great resource to just dive into learning about a few new things. I really hope you get into it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have fun with this resource while we have it for free with askri.org. Everybody have a great week. Bye-bye.